Good morning. It is off making another hat for a client. So this hat is going to be a nice round hat. Let me show you here. So it looks like a beret almost, sort of, because, and then it's going in. I don't know, look at my camera here. So then it's going in a little bit. And so I keep measuring around for the circumference of the head, and it's the person is a 23, but from here all the way around is a 25. And then you decrease it by crocheting two single crochets together to make the decrease to get this curved effect. So now this right here is a 23, and that's the person's head size. So again, you want to make sure when you're doing these kind of stitches, it's just a single crochet stitch, a basic beginner stitch basically, nothing hard or fancy, but you can make cute hats out of these. So again, I will show you the finished product as well. Okay, I am officially done with the hat. So I kind of tweaked the pattern a little bit to fit my own need. So this band is a little adjustable. We can pull up or down. And this is square. So you can flip the hat the way you want to. Nice little style going on. You can flip it up if you want to. I really like this hat style. This can go down like this, so you pinch all the edges, and you just flatten on the top of your head, and boom, you got a style right there. So this is meant to go up like this, and so here's the sides, the back. So again, you can pinch it to fit your needs, and that's the way it looks. I have a client that ordered this hat, so I really like it. A lot of different styles it is. So if you want to pull it up a little bit, you can. You want to pull it down, kind of cock it to the side a little bit, you can. And even if you want to fluff this out and just make it like this, you can do that as well. And give it a new different look. You can make it go to the side a little bit. Just, there you go. And you can flip this up like this. Just pinch it. It'll go. There you go. Great little style that is. So I think that is wonderful. I love the style. So you can do whatever you want to this hat. You know, it's up to you how you want your look to be. You can push it to the back if you want to. See that? That gave it a different look. You can have it all coming to the front, like a captain's hat if you want to. You can just bring it to the front. Say you don't want that to show. You want to bring it to the front just a little bit. You know, bring it to the front, puffed up a little bit. That's what you want to do. That's even cute. Or if you just want to bring it to the front, bring it to the front for y'all. Bring it to the front and pinch this up a little bit. Sort of almost like a Kango kind of style going on. You could do that too. What you think about that one? Let me bring it a little forward. That's cute too. Alright. You can bring that down like that, curve it. This hat is very versatile. You can do it and style it however you want. This is a size 22 all the way to 24. It should fit in 24, fit a little snug, but it'll fit, and plus it has elastic in it, it will stretch. So I hope my client likes her hat. And go to Etsy so you could buy this hat or style of this hat. I freehanded. I also went by a pattern, but I tweaked it how I want and freehanded a little bit. So all of my hats can be a little versatile, but also a unique style. So the pattern that I use calls for the round curve. This is a square curve. And then I made this a little wider, this a little longer, this a little wider, because the way the pattern had it, they had it where it will only fit the top of your head like that. Nothing else, you know. And that's the way it was going to work on your head. It was just going to be at the top of your head. So, and you can wear it like that too. So it's up to you how you want to wear your hat, but I love it. Give it a thumbs up and come back and visit Woman's Cave Style on Etsy, Woman's Cave Style on Facebook, also womanscave.com, WOOMENSCAVE.com. I love this hat. Love this hat. And you can adjust this just a little bit. It is tacked in a little bit, but you can move it up, down, however you want. Love this hat.